Choosing the right gas-powered snowblower can make snow removal a breeze instead of a chore. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 gas-powered snowblowers to help ensure you're prepared for any winter storm without the usual frustrations. The tricky part is that a snowblower that's perfect for one person might not be ideal for another because snowblowers are designed with different needs in mind. That's why I've included a variety of options to suit all kinds of situations. So no matter what you're looking for, you'll find a snowblower that fits your needs. You can find links to the best prices for all the products mentioned in this video in the description below. Keep in mind the products are listed in no particular order, so stick around to ensure you don't miss the perfect one for you. Number 5 is the Toro Power Max 824, your dependable partner in conquering winter storms. This 24-inch 2-stage gas snowblower is engineered to simplify snow removal, letting you handle even the toughest snowfall with ease. His powerful 252-inch engine provides the strength needed to tackle deep, heavy snow, making it an excellent choice for serious winter weather. The 2-stage design works efficiently, breaking apart packed snow and throwing it out of your way. With a 24-inch clearing width and 20-inch intake height, it's perfect for driveways, sidewalks, and larger outdoor areas. Thanks to its electric start feature, you can say goodbye to frustrating pull starts in freezing temperatures. Just press a button and you're ready to go. The adjustable chute gives you complete control over where the snow goes, ensuring your cleared path remains neat and tidy. However, the price might be a drawback for budget-conscious buyers as it's on the higher end compared to similar models. Additionally, its substantial weight could pose a challenge for some users, especially when navigating tight spaces or uneven surfaces. That said, the Toro Power Max 824 shines with its robust construction and user-friendly controls designed to stand up to harsh winter conditions. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, this snowblower is a smart investment for homeowners who need a reliable and efficient snow clearing solution. To check the current prices of the snowblowers featured in this video, be sure to use the links in the description. And if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to subscribe. We'd love to have you with us. Number 4 is the PowerSmart Snowblower, your reliable ally for stress-free snow removal. This 24-inch 2-stage powerhouse is equipped with a sturdy 212 engine, delivering efficient performance to clear snow from driveways, sidewalks, and other outdoor spaces with ease. Its electric start feature eliminates the hassle of manual pulls on frosty mornings. Just push a button and you're good to go. The 2-stage mechanism handles snow in 2 steps, breaking it down and throwing it out, making it effective even against heavy accumulations. With a 24-inch clearing width and the ability to plow up to 2,400 pounds of snow per minute, it tackles snow depths from 1 to 12 inches in one pass. The all-steel auger effortlessly cuts through icy snow, while the impeller throws it up to 40 feet away. The adjustable chute ensures you can direct snow exactly where you want it, leaving your paths clear and surroundings neat. Thanks to its user-friendly design, operating and maneuvering this snowblower is straightforward, and its compact build makes storage a breeze once winter ends. However, assembly may take some time and effort, and accessories like snow cabs or drift cutters, which could further enhance performance in specific conditions, are not always readily available. Despite these minor drawbacks, the PowerSmart Snowblower stands out with features like a rust-resistant exterior, a safety override, and a 2-year warranty, ensuring durability and peace of mind. To check the current prices of the snowblowers featured in this video, be sure to use the links in the description. Number 3 is the YARDMAX YB6770 2-stage self-propelled gas snowblower, a heavy-duty solution built to tackle even the most stubborn winter snowfalls. With a powerful gas engine at its core, this snowblower is engineered to keep your driveways, pathways, and sidewalks free of snow with minimal effort. Featuring a robust 2-stage design, the YARDMAX combines an axe-shaped auger with a 12-inch high-speed impeller to slice through dense snow to 21 inches deep. The extended solid steel chute allows you to direct snow exactly where you want it, ensuring precision and convenience during operation. Plus, it can throw snow up to 40 feet away, making it an excellent choice for clearing expansive areas quickly. With a 26-inch clearing width, this machine is built for substantial snow removal. The self-propelled feature minimizes physical strain, allowing you to glide through heavy snow effortlessly. The electric start adds to its ease of use, ensuring reliable ignition even on the frostiest mornings. Its multiple speed settings and ergonomic handlebar grip let you customize performance for varying conditions, enhancing comfort and control. Built to last, the YARDMAX boasts a durable steel frame and rugged construction, making it a reliable partner for many winters ahead. However, being gas-powered, it does require regular maintenance, including oil changes and the use of fuel stabilizers, which can be more time-consuming compared to electric models. Despite these minor upkeep requirements, this self-propelled powerhouse delivers everything you need to take on winter with confidence and efficiency. To see the latest prices, check out the links in the description. Number 2 is the Ariens Deluxe 2-stage self-propelled gas snowblower, a machine built for power and dependability, making snow removal a breeze. Equipped with a 254 engine delivering 12.5 feet-lbs of torque, this snowblower effortlessly powers through heavy snow and icy buildups, ensuring you stay ahead of winter's challenges. The self-propelled feature eliminates much of the physical labor, allowing you to easily maneuver through deep drifts and slick surfaces. With a 24-inch clearing width, the Ariens Deluxe is ideal for both residential driveways and smaller commercial spaces. Its 2-stage system combines durable steel augers to break down snow and ice with a high-speed impeller that hurls it up to 50 feet, making quick work of large areas. The adjustable chute gives you precise control over where the snow is directed, enhancing the efficiency of your cleanup. Comfort and ease of use are at the forefront of this snowblower's design. The electric start guarantees a hassle-free ignition even in freezing conditions, while the ergonomic handlebars provide a secure and comfortable grip. With multiple forward and reverse speeds, you can tailor the machine's performance to match the terrain and snow depth. One downside is its higher price point, which may not suit budget-conscious buyers. However, for those willing to invest, the Ariens Deluxe offers exceptional reliability and performance, making it a valuable tool for tackling winter year after year. If you're curious about the latest deals on this snowblower, check out the links below. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more top-notch recommendations to help you conquer the cold. Number 1 on our list is the Craftsman Select 2-stage self-propelled gas snowblower, a reliable winter solution designed to handle heavy snow with ease. Built to keep your driveways and walkways clear, the snowblower combines powerful performance with user-friendly features, making it a trusted companion for battling harsh winter conditions. Powered by a durable 208 gas engine, the Craftsman Select delivers robust performance that takes on moderate to heavy snowfall effortlessly. Its 2-stage design ensures effective snow removal by breaking down tough snow and ice before propelling it far away through the chute. The 24-inch clearing width makes it a practical option for residential spaces, offering efficient coverage and fewer passes. One standout feature is the push-button electric start, which eliminates the hassle of pole starting in freezing weather. No need to mix oil and gas either, so you save time and effort on chilly mornings. A serrated steel augers slice through packed snow and ice, while the sturdy steel housing minimizes snow blowback, ensuring a clean and efficient operation. The adjustable chute offers precise snow placement, allowing you to direct the cleared snow exactly where you want it. With ergonomic handlebars for comfortable operation and multiple forward and reverse speeds, navigating through snow-covered paths becomes a breeze. Crafted for durability, this snowblower is built to last through many winters and comes with a 3-year warranty for added peace of mind. If you're looking for a dependable machine that combines power, convenience, and performance, the Craftsman Select is a top-tier choice for your snow removal needs. Don't forget to check the description below for the best prices. And there you have it. We hope this lineup helps make choosing the right gas-powered snowblower a breeze and takes the guesswork out of your decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and make sure to check the description for links to the latest deals on all the models we've covered. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.